We're going to turn our attention now to our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford of Hosford Law Firm. Jeff, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And neither of us knows a whole lot about this raid, more than what we've just reported here this afternoon, but let's talk a little bit more about what happens in these situations when we see a roundup like this by ICE agents.
Well, obviously they had some belief that there was an issue going on. Once they get that belief, they probably do some background research, and then from there they do some investigation and they gain the information necessary to go forward. Once that information necessary to go forward is given typically to the people in charge, they then would take that to more than likely a judge to have a warrant or a search warrant issued to go to those facilities, or arrest warrants issued.
In many cases, obviously all of these workers who were, many of them working at manufacturing plants, is there any responsibility now at this point for their employers or anything that they could have done differently?
Obviously every employer has to make sure that they get the proper forms that you have to fill out for tax purposes. Those are typically filled out by anybody that goes into the workforce. Once those are filled out, then I would assume that they took the veracity of those forms and assumed that they were truthful. Obviously might be some questions there down the road by the police or ICE with these companies, but at the end of the day, all of that will be investigated, and if these companies are in fact hiring illegal people, they may have their own problems in which they need to deal with also.
All right, well, certainly that's the case. A lot of people are watching today, and again, the other issue people are concerned about are the children, perhaps, of those workers and what will go forward there. We appreciate your perspective, as always, Jeff. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.